Hi, welcome to Bell CB. We've got a CRE 8900 radio today. This is for Dean in New Jersey, and it's a tune-up report. Dean's going to have a D104 tomorrow when I wire it up, but tonight for the demo, so we don't have feedback, we'll stick with this noise canceling. Okay, Dean? Okay. 10, 20, 30 watts coming up on the bottom scale. Maybe about 11 and a half, maybe 12.
Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check.
We got a 100 watt slug here today, so we're reading on the bottom 40 and 60, the other line's 50 right there, and 60 right there. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Okay, and then we'll put it in sideband. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's about 35 is where I've been putting them. Got a lot of leeway with that adjustment, but I'm trying to keep it temperature friendly. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. All right. Put it on the air so she's receiving. Brager 19 for a radio check. Thank you, driver. Appreciate it. Have a good night. It's 10 o'clock on a Sunday night, so not a lot of activity. Have a good night.